development that's happening in Rossari Biotech. CNBC-TV18 has learned that promoters are looking to sell stake in the company. There's already been some interest as well. Let's go across to Rachna Dhanrajani, who's picked up details on the story and joins in with the latest. Rachna.
Well, that's right. Sources tell us that promoters of Rossari Biotech are exploring options to sell stake in the company amid an early-stage interest from global private equity funds as well as a listed strategic player. Discussions, however, are still at an exploratory stage with no binding offers on the table yet and no final decision taken by the promoters. But what is final is the plan to sell, which is why the bankers have been tapped in and the process has been kicked off. Now, people familiar with the matter say that the move is being driven by a lack of clearly articulated succession roadmap with no visible long-term plan on promoter transition disclosed so far. Rossari Biotech, about the company, it is a major Indian specialty chemicals manufacturer with a strong presence across textiles, personal care and performance chemicals. In the third quarter, the company reported a revenue of 581 crore rupees with a net profit of 32.77 crore rupees compared with a revenue of 512 crores last year with a net profit of 31.70 crore rupees. It is also worth noting that in 2025, promoter Sunil Srinivasan, who's one of the promoters, transferred about 16% of his stake as a gift to his family members and a family trust through an off-market interstate transfer. That transaction did not dilute the promoter holding, but it definitely restructured the ownership. So we will keep an eye out on what goes on further.
Take that point, Rachna. Thanks a lot for that. The stock holding up with about a 6% gain on the back of that news. But let's get in